guys, it's Abraham again. It's good to be talking to you all again. It's been a while. Sorry I've been away. You know, school is back and with work and everything else, it's been kind of hectic and I have been adjusting to my schedule. With that said, moving forward, I think what I could promise you guys is 1 to 2 videos a week, most likely 1, and whenever I have more time I'll make maybe 3. So let's under promise and over deliver. Let's say 1 to 2 and most likely 1. That's what I could promise you guys, what I can right now. So it's been a while since we talked about our myopia progress. I don't know, maybe it's been a week and a half or 2 weeks. It's been a while since I posted the video as far as I remember. So in the last video I showed you all the contact lenses that I have bought so far and all the eyeglasses that I bought, and we talked about again the amazing progress that we've been achieving on this channel. So the last week and a half, sorry to say, but I have to be honest with you whether things are going good or bad, because my point is not to, you know, mislead you and make you think that reversing myopia is just like a super easy thing to do. You just like snap your fingers and things just go your way. Yes, you can do it naturally, but let's not fool ourselves, it takes time. So if you've been watching this series so far, the first diopter and a quarter, diopter and a half for me was very easy to attain. It was a quick process because, as I said earlier in earlier videos, probably the first quarter to half to maybe even 3/4 of a diopter were the result of just being overprescribed by you know, the eye doctors. So that's why the initial progress was very fast. So since the last time we talked, I've been wearing contact lenses with a prescription of -4 only. So that equates to -4.25 for eyeglasses. And the last video I made prior to that, showing my progress, I said that I was wearing contact lenses of -4.5. So I went another half down, and that's what I've been doing for the last month and a half. I've been going half down instead of a quarter because the results have been so fast and they gave me the confidence to just do it by half diopter at once instead of a quarter, which is what you should do, which is what's recommended. So this time I just wear the contact lenses with another half down, and it was difficult. So it's been a week and a half. Finally today the blur is down, and you know what, actually I could say I'm very happy. Actually I could say I have probably regained 2 diopters, to be honest with you, because like I'm looking around, there's no blur finally after a week and a half to 2 weeks. But the 2 weeks that I had so far have been very tough. If you notice, usually it took me at least or at the most a week and a half to update you and say, wow, I have regained half, wow, I have regained 3/4 of a diopter. But this time it's been more challenging. Yes, I'm almost there, and I'm gonna post a video soon talking about the fact that I have regained 2 diopters in less than 2 months. I'm so psyched and excited about that. But before I do that, I'm gonna give it a couple of more days and make sure that I'm there absolutely and definitely. But moving forward, I gotta be honest with you, the diopters are gonna be more tough to get by. It's gonna be more challenging to attain the same progress that I have, and especially because we're diving deep now. The easy diopters have already been regained. What's gonna happen next is gonna be tougher. Like I said in my earlier videos, it's like when you work out. The first month you just shed the pounds so quickly, and then progress becomes more difficult. It's the same concept in everything you do in life. So that's one factor. The other important factor is now I'm back to school. I'm back to school, and again, as I said in an earlier video, I do a software programming engineering program, and I spend a lot of hours just in front of the computer screen ironing out code and reading documentation and doing all that stuff. And with my teaching job, which requires a lot of reading and writing as well, so there's not the same amount of time to be outdoors and practice active focus and look as far as I can. I've been trying though. I've been trying my best to do that as much as I can, at least half an hour a day to an hour. So that's another part of it. But the major reason is that now, you know, we're trying to get those hard diopters. We're done with the easy stuff, so it's going to be more challenging. Instead of achieving half a diopter, you know, instead of regaining half a diopter every 2 weeks to 3 weeks, I expect it now to take a month or two or maybe more. But you know what? I'm so optimistic, guys, and so content, so satisfied. Because when I started this whole experiment, still less than 2 months ago, I was, you know, I was not that optimistic. You know, I did not think that I'll, as of now, we're talking, it's almost there. 2 diopters have been regained. I would never thought I'll regain 2 back, because now once I make the next video in a couple of days and declare that I have regained 2 diopters back, I'll be at -4.25, -4.25, and I started with -6.25. And my plan, my original plan, was to be at -4.25 by the end of this year. I thought it's going to take 4 to 5 months, and it only took me a month and a half. 2 months. So I couldn't be happier. You know, if it slows down, it slows down. What I have achieved so far is phenomenal. On a different note, in the last video, I also mentioned that I have bought new eyeglasses with much lower prescription. So, and I mentioned that they're from Zany Optical. So here's the case, Zany Optical. I got them like a week and a half ago, and I've been wearing them every single day at home to help me reduce the myopia even faster. Here are the eyeglasses. Now I'm wearing contacts. So the contacts that I'm wearing are -4, and this is -4 as well. So I don't know how it's gonna work, but let me just show you how they look. Okay, now it's hard for me to see because I have two eye whatever tools with the same prescription. So these are the eyeglasses, and I wear them all the time at home. So here's the interesting thing. My contacts that I'm wearing now are -4, and the eyeglasses are also -4. Now this means wearing the eyeglasses at home is like wearing -3.75 for contacts. Because remember, at my current prescription range, the differential between the eyeglasses and contacts prescription is only a quarter. So basically, I'm doing myself a service by wearing these at home, and I'm, you know, making the process go faster and you know make it more achievable in less time. So that's one thing I'm working on. Once I declare, you know, that I have 2 diopters back, I'll be wearing these eyeglasses 24/7, because once I get to -4.25, -4 will be the next step for the eyeglasses. And I'll be also ordering new contacts with a prescription of -3.75 and -3.5, and then the next step will be to get to -3.5. Man, how happy I'll be when that happens. I mean, I don't remember the last time I wore such a low prescription. Maybe in my early teens, maybe even earlier than that. Man, this process has been nothing less than extraordinary, unbelievable, incredible, splendid. Use any adjective you want. I'm just so happy. And I hope that I've been inspiring you guys, inspiring you to take action, inspiring you to believe that it's possible, no matter how old you are, no matter where you are, no matter what you do, you can get your eyes back. Just decide you're gonna do it and just go for it, you know, just go for it. Your health is everything, guys. Your health is everything. So I think that will do it for today, guys, for today's videos. If you have not subscribed, please do like, comment, and share with friends so everyone will know about the fact that myopia can be reversed, guys. And I left in the description box a link for Floaters No More program that I found online. So basically it's a program that helps you get rid of eye floaters if you have them, and it is an affiliate link, so if you buy the product it helps my channel, and I thank you for your support. I also have a link for a program that helps you reverse myopia naturally, but for some reason that link is not working. I'm gonna leave it there. If it works, it works. Thank you again for your support. Thank you for watching, and again, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.